How does it taste? It's delicious. What are you going to do today? Today I am going shopping. আমার প্রিয় খাবার হট নুডলস। My favorite food is hot noodles. What's your name? My name is Mary. Or I am Mary. Is it close to the rail station? Yes, it's very close. When do you ride the bus? When I go to school. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7:15 a.m. How long are you staying here? About 3 weeks. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What's this? This is a lens. Do you need anything else? No, thanks. No, thanks. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. What time do you close? I close at 8 p.m. Which grade are you in? I am in 5th grade. How do you do? Pleased to meet you. Where are you going to be staying? With some friends in the Taj Hotel. What time do you open? We open at 8 a.m. Are you ready to order? I need a few more minutes. When will he be back? He will be back in 5 minutes. Where do you study? I am a student at Delhi University. Are you here with anybody? I came with my parents. What are you going to do tomorrow? I am going to play cricket. I am going to play cricket. Could you do me a favor? I would be happy to help you. Would you like to have dinner with me? Yes, that would be nice. How long have you been working here? I have been working here 3 years. How long have you been feeling like this? For 2 days. How about you? Not too good, but I will be okay. How do you feel about him? He is quite friendly and helpful. Can I try it on somewhere? The fitting room is in the left corner. Would you like to leave a message? Please ask him to call me back. I am finishing the video here today. Hope this class will help you a lot in learning English. The only easy way to learn English is to practice every day. It is not possible to speak English without practice. Like or comment if you like the video and share the video with your friends if you can. Stay well and keep learning English with me.